Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Bless up on yourself first and foremost. Hold on there with the latest mix down and mix up, says me. So, secondly, me I gotta ask who the subscribers yet for please do so. Just finna miss out on nothing, yes, pray. Alright, so as what the video say, guys, dancehall artist and model in a one that a D Angel say her income has increased greatly. That has since she joined OnlyFans. You see me? So an adult, that is an adult oriented content, somewhere where you can go put picture and people subscribe for see it. You see me? So 3 months ago she started that. You see me? So she said the best thing she could have ever done. You see me? So she said she plan on being the next top earner on the site. You see, she don't really want to reveal the money where she make, but you don't know she earn a lot. You see me? She said she could have buy all a big house them way the guys. You see me? So but I got tell a lie. I spot a video with her. I go in a one Porsche store and she say, yo, what's next? Which one should I cap? Them way the. You see me? So Aisha did make some money off of this OnlyFans thing one time. So she are not the only artist. But besides that though, guys, you know, I just feel like say for share the next story, cause remember say a Beenie Man baby mother this, you know, cause Beenie Man breed the angel how long, and the man say she never have to do that. Basically, is it the man say yo, upon an interview say yo, she for think about her son and how it gonna affect him. You see me? So in an expressed way, him disapprove of her OnlyFans, which she didn't, since you don't know. Man don't say him can't tell her what she should do either, so she should know which decision right end of the day. But I think besides that and thing, I don't know, man I say she never have to do it and thing, but as well me I say guys, she make a lot. And OnlyFans is something where enough people enough to take lightly, you see me? The internet actually, people enough to take it lightly, you see it? Yeah. Alright guys, so up next we are gonna talk about Sheba. If you still watch, Sheba is a girl that was associated with Gaza one time. She do good songs, collaboration with Vybz Kartel, like when we are touch it come like Christmas, you and him there. You see me? Yeah, so far she say she want change, come out of the industry, change her genre, all sorts of things, and like more than enough for making it hear it from she.
Time for me right now, people notice my company is medieval too fussy for music. I don't like music again like that because one, the industry is too biased, full of too much crab in a barrel, full of too much fight against, especially with the woman them fight against them one another bad. You understand? Morning, baby Sean. You get what me I say? Me not kill up myself in music. Me not killing up myself in music. I don't have no passion for music. I don't have no drive for music. I don't have no love for music. Well, maybe like come make a crossover and go reggae, probably might have a different feeling than in a dance hall. Because in a dance hall, who show the most pussy get the most ratings, and me not have too much of pussy for show. Me have like one little bit of pussy. So me gonna move from yourself with me little bit of pussy. You get what me I say? And who can do body or whatever, which me can do my body if I want. I just choose not to, because I feel like there's long-term effect when I don't want to deal with. You get what me I say? So when I go reggae, me can be all natural. I not feel show my look bony front. You get what me I say? I not feel think about if I go juk up my body or surgerize my body just to stay in a competition with people. I not depend on that because I feel like my talent is supposed to speak for itself. And in the music industry, especially in a dancehall and a talent do it, how much pum pum you show, how much I don't know the thing already. So me not feel dancehall again, so I not kill up myself. Plus the pussy world producer them will sit down upon my song. None of them will have much song for me. I have like about 12 song people I kid you not from different producer. When we do from all 2017, I know them can't release. You get what me I say? So many people have no interest in a music like that. A different something I want to do, a business I want to go own now and them suck them. I think about different things. Whereas a couple years from now me a 40. Me don't want to skin out my front at 40. Me don't want to on stage show pat my front for no man at 40. I'm mad them time they are knowing my son to wait time I go him some blood clot with somebody and give me a grand. Me don't want me the dancehall granny as me tell you before. You understand? Yeah, something that go on this. So that me I tell on the people that change me got change right now. So me I go link up my cousin. Me I link Jamar, aka Chronix, as no fan know me. I tell him so listen no cause I reggae me want going so. What the deal? Cause when I reggae me can't dress modest, me can't dress nice. You get what me I say? Me can't put myself together and people are gonna rate me for my talent. Not because me a show my front in a G-string or whatever. Although sometimes I kind of like, you know, like just like skettle. Me not gonna tell no lie, but me feel like me I get older now. Hold on, the video pause. Me don't know what go on. Me feel like me I get older now, so me not feel like say me want do certain things no more. You get what me I say? I don't feel that way. So if you not see me, I do kill up myself in music. I'm not interested. So when people see, when me see them a comment and I talk about this and that and go find it and Ray and this and that, I laugh over them because I say people, if me did choose to go hard, but I did go hard. I don't like the business anymore. Me not tell no lie. I do not like dancehall anymore. Me not interested in it. Me not feel it. That's why I say me have a reggae song I come out. Big up Dr. Love. Big up Dr. Love, you understand? I like my first official reggae pan official one drop. You get what me I say? And if it take people, I swear to me that should dance. Me left who fi fight against them, one and then fight against them, one and then me left who fi compete and who want do the most surgery body or whatever them want do. Me left the whole of that to them and I reggae me go where me can dress in a nice, clean. You understand? Covenant, me can put on my ras. No, me not go ras. I like that me and tell me not stop wear falls here. But me might have the ras underneath the falls here. And where people can actually rate me for my talent and not because my pum pum fat up in a one piece of shorts or one bath suit sitting or whatever string them wear or whatever. Because you know the least string get the most views and the most votes. So me want do something where I'm a talent talk and not my body. You get what me I say? Even though my body look good and something, you know, and I like my body pop down or nothing. But I just feel like I have to take a different road. Because me say some of them feel like them not feel let it go when them reaching at them teeth and me not feel like me feel it be 40 yard and they are stage front as me say I make man a pack down my front or I tell them which part of me if you come dig out or something. No. You understand when you're grown you have to just do grown things. You get me? And that with some of them they don't realize that them grown yet. You get me? So I just probably do dancehall for 2 more years. Maybe, because me say, if the reggae song will come out now named Thank You Jah, go on extremely well. Bye-bye dancehall. I welcome the reggae community. You understand what I'm saying? Married to the world, good morning. At them levels them depend right now. I walk on people. The net chip out or something, I'm find out. Wanna tell me if the net chip out please and thanks, because I don't understand what I go on. I not see no comment, so I don't know. Somebody comment and me know if the net chip out, please. I not see no comment like that. Where will we go? When the quarantine thing, none of everybody touch road. Somebody please tell me if you can't see what I go on. Because I see like 1 comment. And one at a time. Normally it's when I run go up at 1 me I see. So somebody please tell me. Somebody say if me I run left dancehall. No, I'm not run left dancehall. If me feel for compete, trust me, me's a hard competitor. Me can go hard on them something because me say with age come wisdom. And why me now we almost reach 40 feel like more gonna run competition against some 20-year-old with just live them life. And me did have my 20s too, and me did I run the place one of the time in my 20s. Everybody knows that Empire was the biggest thing, and them time me that were like 27, like 26, 27. You understand? But people they think me did younger than that. So if a competition, of course me can run competition. Kinda like enough of them nowadays sound better than me. You know much of them not sound good at them body them use. I just them body them use as me tell you. And the body people are watching not the talent. Yeah, and then me tell them say me don't know what I go on with the comment them. from dancehall. Run from what? Me not run from no girl. Me not back from no girl in a nothing. But as me say, with age comes wisdom. You understand? And me not go fight against nobody or gonna let me fight against nobody, cause whole heap of artists them no want give the young girl them a chance. You understand, them no want move aside. Not the all I'm used, darling. Not the all up on my face. Cara white mixed with BioClear on my body and the papaya gel. That's what I use for my body. Anyway, it's obvious you can't see me not have on the braces. So why you don't ask if me take off the braces and you can't see? Like when we have on the braces, you can't see the difference. So why you gonna ask if me take off the braces when you can't see them out and me not have them on? Oh boy, people ask the weirdest thing. So that's what I'm saying, people. Me not run like me not run left no dance. Me just not find the funny night no more. I don't find the fun. And if me can sit down and write a song like Threesome, me can write a song like Cocky Tegereg. Me can write, there's a whole heap of song when I write and people don't know say me write. Them feel like somebody write it, give me a me write it. Me can sit down and me can write my own song them and I know ghost writer and back of the screen writer. I write my song them and I know if I deliver them. You understand? So why would I run from people? I'm afraid of people. No, I'm not afraid of people. I'm not run from dancehall. But the truth is, dancehall is not about talent. Dancehall is about how you look. Cause you can sound like shit mixed with frog. Like you know, somebody sound like frog mixed with shit, and them I like them because them body look good. You understand what I say? And as me say, me not feel like me feel show my body like that. Like my last baby at 6-year-old. Me don't want my little bit of pussy there all over. Me just feel like a time for that stop now. You get what me I say? So me not run from dance. I not run enough of them girls as me say in the industry. Not half as talented as me. You get me? Enough of them not half as talented. Because some of them me I tell them look on them, their face pretty. Them body well up. Me not tell a lie, but they sound like shit. I mean, I say, what is this? Like, seriously, what is this? What is? What is? Them a play the people ears, like, girl, find something better do. Because music is not for everybody. A whole lot of people love it, but not for everybody. You get what me I say? So, them I use. Me never say the girl them I use them body. Listen to me. When you not listen, but that advice I feel on your ears and listen. Me now say the girl them I use them body. Me say dancehall is not about music anymore. It's about mostly focusing on a person's body. Me never say the girl them I use them body. Me say the people them in that industry now listen for music. Them I watch how your body look. Listen up your ears and listen when me a talk. You understand? Me not fight against no girl in a dancehall. Definitely, no time. Cause me to get my chance too, thanks to Adi, everybody deserve a chance. Once them sound good, cause everybody sound good. Jada sound good, people not like Shensia, me like her, me like how she sound. Me not have a problem with her. Me did love that girl that went dead when in J. Capri, rest in peace. That she me did really feel like that. You get what me I say? Well, Destiny got turn Christian the other day. Destiny bad to Destiny Sparta bad. Climax bad. There's a whole heap of little artists in the industry bad. You understand? My friend Stylish too. Them not give you a chance because we not do certain things. You get what me I say? So me never say the girl them I use them body. No mix me. Me can't spell politics. Me say the people them I use the girl them body to judge them talent. You understand? Them body them I use to judge the talent. Them not use them ears, them I use them eye. A eye run dancer, not reggae. Reggae, you have to sing something with quality. You understand substance and people listen. Cause reggae is all about listening music and enjoying music. Dancehall is about what them see, them hear, them use. You understand? Me don't know one name Inches, one name so. Me don't know that song there, me not got to no lie. Somebody has said something about Inches. Me don't know what the Inches. I don't know that song, so me can't comment on something me don't know about. You understand? Me link with Kim. Me and Kim still good. From Gaza days, me and Kim good still know. Me and Indo still good. You understand? The artist thing right now is Chanel Muir. That she me know the artist thing right now. Everybody else step on pause a little bit because me say everybody deserve them 5 minutes or them 10 minutes or whatever. Right now, Chanel Muir, me see a fear time right now. You understand? Nobody not take it right. right now. Chanel time right now. Chanel me your time right now. And people for just make the girl go on and do what them a do. Everybody get for them time. Make the girl, nobody fight out the girl, make the girl get for your time right now. You get me? I say everybody deserve them 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes, whatever you want to be. As me say, I rate Shensia, I rate Jada, but right now, Chanel are going with her thing. You understand? Because I love Yamabella, I love 3D. And she do a new one, I don't know what name, but it's bad too. You understand? I rate Spice because Spice struggle through and she go through from them time there. You get me? I rate her, I'm not gonna say I'm a Spice fan. I rate her. I rate most of the female artists, them. I rate most of the male artists, them. But me is not really a fan like that. Me is a Cardi B fan. You get me? Me's definitely a Cardi B fan. Like Megan Thee Stallion. Me's a Adidja Palmer, aka Vybz Kartel fan. Me a fan before me even link with him. You get me? Son of artist, me's a Lady Star fan before she turned Marian Hall. So me love music and I rate enough artists, but that don't mean say I'm a fan of them. Me just rate them music and I like them music. My favorite ever song from Spice. Yes, I saw me like it when me I play that book. You understand? That's my favorite song. My favorite song from Shensia are the one where she say, rotten teeth. Girl, I'm saying, sweet, that mean no trick or treat. When me I play them something, them and my bucket, I'm going bad with myself. You understand? Jada, my favorite song from, I love Wally Passang with Jada, though. I not go even front. Like, Wally Passang. I don't think me too digger in a real life. And why? Because me and her did have a personal encounter. I don't know, big still. But I just never like the vibe what she did give off, but I rate her song them, like her song them, and at the time probably, I don't know, at the time or whatever, I don't know what kind of mood she did or whatever, but I rate her song them. I listen countless songs from Jada because I like her voice. So I'm not fight against nobody. I'm just not a fan of all of the female them, but I rate them. You get me? Some song I blast. You understand? Some song I just listen because I just love music overall. I love music. You get me? So definitely Cardi B fan. Listen Nicki Minaj. Was a Nicki Minaj fan till the final session. She just fake. I mean not